everyone, today I have another plan with me video. I have a couple of videos out there that I set up my planner for the month and I buy like Etsy stickers and I just decorate my planner. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I decorate my planner for the month of March, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so we are back with my happy planner. I get this happy planner from Hobby Lobby, and what I have on the side is I have a bunch of colored pens and pencils. I have a pad back here that you can't see that has all of like certain dates and certain things that are due this month. Then I always keep my old planner, and the reason I keep my old planner nearby is because that way I know when all the dates that are due instead of having to like flip from one and going back to the other and then flipping and then going back. So instead I just leave my old planner right here. And then for my favorite part, I have my lovely stickers. I get my stickers off of Etsy. I know in the last two I have showed you some, and my plan is that every month I'm going to get a new one. I keep it in this little thingy, and I'm gonna go through them just a tiny bit. I actually didn't get any new ones besides the month of March. So this is my only new one this time, but I'm already putting in an order for a bunch of new ones that I'm gonna show you guys for next month. So all of these little things are their thank you cards. When you order from the companies, they send you a bunch of little things, and they're all from the different companies that I have ordered from. And of course you can see I've already used some, but yeah, these are just the thank you cards. So these aren't the actual stickers just yet. So I'm just gonna be going through a couple of them with you guys, that way you can kind of see where the theme and stuff was going when I was doing these videos. So I bought these off of Etsy, and I'm gonna link every single one down below and the companies, that way you guys can go ahead and check them out. And this was a New Year's theme. So it's a bunch of champagne and fireworks and stuff like that. There's a bunch of glitter ones. And the reason I'm also keeping these, because I know that January is over, is because it can always work for other days or other months, like 4th of July or whatever that may be. I can always keep them, or I can keep them for next year because I get a happy planner every year. So I'm going to keep these, but this is the theme for the month of January. And I have used a whole bunch of them. Next we have February. And February I picked, of course, a love theme because there is Valentine's Day. But this one was a little bit different. It was more like a darker blue. There was baby pinks. There was more of like darker pinks. There was golds. And if you guys have not seen those. So this was for the month of January, and you can see where I decorated. I didn't decorate this one as much as I did the next month of February. But usually what I'll do is I'll write in kind of what is due, when it's due, what day is a payment, when I'm gonna be filming, what I'm gonna be filming, and just so on. So this is how I know when the bills are due and how much is coming out, and that way I can also help budget. I will be having a budgeting video coming out very soon, so keep a lookout for that. And then this was my month of February. This one I decorated so much more. I always put my little goals on the side, and I once again went through and did all the ones that bills are due, what payments are due, what videos I'm filming, and I've actually been staying up to date with all the videos that I've been filming, so I'm very, very proud of myself. But this helps so much to keep you organized. Now the doggy stickers have like dog food, there's flea and tick medicine, there's shots, there's nail trimming, groomer, heartworm medicine, vet appointment, nail trim, groomer, flea and tick medicine, bite treats, and dog food. And I love these. For any of you guys who know, my dogs are my babies. And these help me to remember when things are due, when I need stuff, when I should be buying stuff, when I have to trim my dog's nails. And even if you don't give like flea and tick medicine, because we don't, where we live, fleas and ticks aren't really like a big thing. I just use them for other medicine. So my husky has like a skin condition and stuff like that. So I just use flea and tick medicine for his skin condition. So I love this one. Like I said, I will be linking all these down below, so make sure you go ahead and look those up. And then I have my YouTube ones. Now these have been my favorites, obviously, because I've been going through them so much. But they have filming, editing, voiceover, and upload. And there's just a whole bunch of them. So every month I will put in the planner when things are gonna be filmed, when I'm going to edit those videos, and when I'm going to upload them, because sometimes I will film like 2 or 3 times in a day and I'll just kind of spread them out for the week. So it's always nice to know when you are planning on editing them and when you are planning on uploading them. So for all of my YouTube friends that are out there, make sure you check out this company. Like I said, I will leave a link down below, and I absolutely love these stickers. I will most likely be putting in a new order very, very soon because I will be running out of these super quick. And now for the month of March, we are doing a green theme for St. Patrick's Day. And it has March, and it has Monday through Saturday, or I'm sorry, Sunday through Saturday. St. Patrick's Day, spring begins, spring forward. I know that other states, some states don't have like daylight savings time, but in California we do. And then they have a bunch of little empty ones. Then we have bill due, bill due, bill due, and a bill due. And then there is a little like hole. There's a little circle that you can fill out if it is paid. Then we have payday, 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 payday. I won't be using all those. But, and then there's stuff to decorate the empty spots. And then it also came with a bunch of numbers, which is nice because I always cover up the numbers. Then it says this month, birthdays, gold, spending, important. There's cash, there's trash cans, there's workouts, there's birthdays, there's like a nail appointment, there's cleaning. And then they have a bunch of little empty spots for you to do like to-do lists. So these are gonna come in so much handy. I love doing these every month. Then we are turning to the month of March. So what I will do is I will open up my old planner and set that above, and then I will go in and fill out these. Now because there are some empty spots, I am just gonna decorate that in, and then for the month of March, I'm gonna put that over first. So what I'm doing right now is just starting to decorate. So I'm going to, do the part that says March and all the empty spaces. I'm gonna fill those up. And before I do anything crazy to it, to where I start just decorating like crazy, I'm gonna go through and put down all the important things. So the paydays, the holidays, the birthdays, when bills are due, everything of importance needs to be put down first. That way I don't cover that spot and then I'm like, oh no, I covered the spot and there's actually something due that day or there's a birthday that day. So that's what I'm gonna be doing first. Then I'm going to be writing in all of the videos that I'm going to be filming or editing, so I have a full list of the rest of the month that I have planned out. So I'm going to put those on all the days that I film or when I am editing. I usually post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I usually film like over the weekend. I'll film on a Tuesday so that way I can get it done on a Wednesday. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just writing down everything for when I am filming. then at this point, this is when I'll start filling in kind of the rest of it. I'll do like trash days, I will do when we need to buy dog food, I will just do like little random things to kind of make it look a lot prettier and kind of fill in all the rest of the space. And on the side of the planner, there's always a little section for notes, but what I usually do is I'll set goals for the month that I want to achieve. So like last month, it was a lot of cleaning up the house, packing stuff away, and I achieved that goal. So I always like to put some goals off to the side and see if I can achieve them. And just like that, the planner is done. I actually have so much fun doing these planners. I get excited for the stickers. It's kind of like the adulting part of life that we're not excited for, but we get to keep it fun and exciting. So I actually really enjoy doing these planners. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.